So today we're going to be doing a DIY Halloween treat video for you guys.
So for this video we're going to be showing you guys step by step on every treat that we did for Halloween, and we hope you guys enjoy.
We're going to start off with a spooky drink. I started off with Squirt, but you can use any clear soda like 7-Up. Then I added some green food dye and Pop Rocks to give it that fizzle and scary effect. Lastly, I finished it off with some eyeballs. For the next DIY treat, I baked some cupcakes. I used chocolate mixed and I just followed the instructions on the box. Instead of water, I used milk and added coconut oil instead of vegetable oil to make it moist. Added a pinch of baking soda to give it a fluffy effect. Let it bake for 30 minutes as it said in the box. To decorate the cupcakes, I just covered some in pink frosting and applied an Oreo on top. Then I broke an Oreo in half and applied those as wings on the side. I added some ice with Nutella and that's it. For the next cupcake, I added green frosting the way you see me doing here. I crumbled an Oreo to make it look like dirt. Then just write RIP with frosting on any flat surface cookie. For the last DIY treat, I made some spiderweb cookies. I removed the black part of an Oreo and put the white part into a bowl. Melt the white part until it becomes a milky mixture. Put it into a Ziploc bag and cut the corner off. You're then going to want to draw a star like I'm doing here and add a circle or two to create a spider web. And to finish it off, I just added some spiders, but that's totally optional. And that's it. I hope you guys liked it and try it out.